Reading skills. Using context to expand your vocabulary. When you read a new word, context means the words and sentences around that word. Learning vocabulary in context means that you learn new words when you are reading or listening by thinking about how a word is used in a sentence and a paragraph. Ask yourself, what do I think it means? Instead of stopping to look at a dictionary translation, reread the sentences before and after the new word. Look for definitions, contrasts, and illustrations to get an idea of what the new word means. So let's practice. Think about the word unique in the bold sentence. What information comes before and after the word? Okay, so before the sentence that says every project is unique, the author tells us what makes project management interesting, which is variety. And after the sentence with the word unique, it gives a definition of projects. Every project is unique. It involves creating a product or service that the business didn't have before. So they're relating the word project to something that was created, something new. Those words variety and new relate to understanding the word unique. Here's another practice. Sometimes a writer explains the meaning of a word by showing the opposite idea or by actually giving a definition. Think about the word temporary in the bold sentence. Okay, so the bold sentence says projects are temporary. Unlike ongoing day to day operations, they have a start and an end. All right, so right after the word temporary, I see the word unlike, which is introducing the opposite of temporary, which is ongoing. So temporary is not ongoing, it is not continuous. And is there a definition of the word temporary? Well, yes, it says that projects have a start and end. Projects are temporary, meaning they have a start and an end. Here's another practice. Pictures are also part of the context for reading. How does the image on this slide help you understand the meaning of pillar in the bold sentence? Hmm. So it says it lists 5 words that are called pillars of project management. And when I look at the image, I can see those 5 words associated with those tall structures. I know those structures are used to hold things up, to be like a foundation or keep something together. Maybe pillar has more than one meaning. Maybe pillars are these 5 tall structures in the image, and maybe pillar means something important to hold something up. Okay, so there's more practice to follow for learning vocabulary in context. Continue in the lesson to learn more keywords in context by reading about project management.